Time for an oil change? Since the type of motor oil used can affect the life of your engine, maintenance intervals, and fuel economy, it's important to choose the right motor oil for your car, truck, or SUV. Engines have a lot of moving parts that oil helps lubricate and absorb heat. Over time, motor oil begins to break down and becomes less effective. Regularly scheduled oil changes ensure that your engine is always properly protected. The three main types of engine oils are conventional, semi-synthetic, and synthetic. Conventional oil is a traditional oil change. Compared to the semi and full synthetics, conventional motor oil tends to include more impurities and breaks down quicker. This means it requires more frequent changes, usually between 3,000 and 5,000 miles. Synthetic oil is designed for intense driving conditions, such as high RPMs, high engine heat, and extreme climates. Synthetic oil contains fewer impurities, meaning it holds up longer, requiring less frequent changes. Semi-synthetic oil is a blend of conventional and synthetic oil. It offers some of the benefits of synthetic at a lower cost, such as better heat resistance and less frequent changes than conventional. In addition to those three main types of motor oil, there are also options that contain additives to help with older vehicles. Not sure what type of motor oil to go with? Our knowledgeable service department can tell you which type of oil your vehicle needs. After we perform a thorough oil change on your vehicle, we'll recommend the best oil change interval depending on your specific driving style and the motor oil your vehicle needs. Trust us to keep you moving. Schedule an appointment today.